Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to review how to use the MSI-BPD outcome measure to help identify symptoms of borderline personality disorder within clients. The results of this brief 10-question yes or no survey can be used in conjunction with clinical judgment to help determine if the patient has symptoms consistent with borderline personality disorder and should undergo further treatment. Before starting this tutorial, make sure you've set up the basics of your TherapyNotes account and that you've enabled the Client Portal and Client Portal document sharing within the Settings section. There are two ways to send the MSI-BPD outcome measure to a client, either from the Outcome Measures tab in the library or from the Client's Portal tab. First, let's click Library, and then the Outcome Measures tab. Select the MSI-BPD questionnaire. A screen about the MSI-BPD will open, telling you a bit more about the outcome measure itself, as well as a preview of a sample completed questionnaire. Click the Share on Portal button at the bottom of the screen. This will then open a Share Documents on Portal dialog box. Begin typing in the patient field and select the patient's name you want to send the MSI-BPD to. If you'd like to send any custom instructions to the patient, enter them in the Instructions field and they will be sent with the documents you've selected to share. Then, simply click the Send Document Request button and you're all set. Another way to send the MSI-BPD to a client is from their Portal tab. First, you will need to click the Patients tab, then select Patient Name, Portal tab, and then Share Documents button. The Share Documents on Portal box will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Outcome Measures, and then in the name of the document box, begin typing and select MSI-BPD. Add any necessary custom instructions into the instruction field, and click the Send Document Request button. Once the document request has been sent, the outcome measure will be listed in the patient's documents and portal requests with a pending submission status. If you have any questions, contact us at 215-658-4550 or email us at support@therapynotes.com. As always, our support is free and unlimited, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.